Hi my sweet people, today's video is on this chocolate Basque Burnt Cheesecake, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. The items you'll need will be cream cheese, heavy cream, cake flour, eggs, sugar, and cocoa powder. Grab your mixing bowl and you can add in your cream cheese. After which you can add in your sugar. You can use your mixer to beat the sugar and the cream cheese. So I hate this because my bowl may be not too big, so it always comes out flying, and I should get a bigger bowl. But yeah, just continue mixing until it's all fully incorporated, and then you can start to add in your heavy cream. Just adding in the heavy cream slowly and in 2 batches so that everything doesn't come out flying because it's liquid. So like you see, the cream cheese is actually stuck upstairs because it's hard. So once I mix in the heavy cream, it's gonna become all better and mixed in, so it'll be like a liquid watery kind, but thick consistency of course. And after this, once it's all done, you can add in your eggs. Add in your cake flour, so it's just 10 grams, so I'm using my weighing scale. This Basque Burnt Cheesecake, I actually made the normal regular kind, and I really loved it so much, so I thought why not try to recreate this chocolate version, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to make it chocolatey. And of course, if you want, you can add in chocolate instead of cocoa powder. It may be better and more of a chocolate feel instead of just cocoa powder. Also, I added in vanilla extract because what's a cake without vanilla extract? So I just added in a dash of vanilla extract, and if you want, maybe you can add in half a tablespoon. Once that's all done and your consistency is like this, you can start to prepare your pan. Call me lazy, but I love to line my pan with baking paper or parchment paper because it's so much easier to clean the pan afterwards, and also easier to remove the cake or whatever you're baking. It'll be easier to remove it, and it saves my life so much. So I love to put baking paper. And then once you're done, you can add in your batter. a small cake, and once you're done putting in the batter, just make sure you tap the pan a few times so that the air comes out, and then you can bake it at 210. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, but of course you know your oven best, so just try to play around with your oven and know how it works. One thing I really like about this cheesecake is that when it's baking, it will rise and then it will deflate like this, so it looks kind of cute. And once it's done, you just refrigerate for a few hours and then you're done to serve. So this actually gives it as a cake to celebrate a birthday, and it was really good. I really loved it actually. So the recipe was something I found, but cocoa powder wasn't my idea to add in 2 tablespoons. So if you really like the cake, right, then you should try it as well, because I love cheesecakes, and this was super creamy and really delicious. I really loved it and everyone loved it as well. That's the end of my video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you try it, definitely let me know how you felt about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah.